Hi all, in this video, we are going to see how to clone similar part and assembly drawings in TEKLA structures. This method helps reduce the time required for drawing editing. Basically, the clone option does detailing by itself. Based on the source drawing we choose, we use this option when assemblies or parts are similar with minor differences. Here we can see some similar panels in this project, such as CL3 and CL4 assemblies. As you can see, we have already completed the CL3 assembly drawing, which includes the front and top views of the assembly, the required section views, dimensions, weld marks, and front and back isometric views of the panel. Now we are going to clone this drawing for the CL4 assembly. The first step is to select the object in the model that needs to be cloned. Next, open the document manager and select the source drawing. Then click clone option, which you can see at the bottom of the document manager. After selecting the clone option, the clone drawing dialog box will open. Here, you can see that the clone from options have two choices. One is clone from current model. This means the source drawing is from the current model, and the another one is clone from the other model. This means the source drawing is from a different model. For the clone from another model option, we must provide the model source folder and select the source drawing using the select template option. The next option is objects and action in cloning. This allows us to choose which objects should be cloned from the source drawing. For example, if we set the action for dimensions to ignore, the clone drawing will be created without the dimensions that were provided in the source drawing. After setting our requirements, we can select the clone selected option. Now the clone drawing will be created based on the source drawing. The drawing will appear with a command in the changes section indicating that the drawing was cloned. Now the cloning process is complete. However, the most important step is to open the drawing and carefully check that all required details are correctly provided, such as dimensions, section views, weld marks, and dimensions pick points, etc. The clone option helps reduce the drawing editing time by copying views, dimensions, and other details. However, we must always verify the drawing and ensure that all required details are correct. Thank you.